Today we shall learn how to construct a quadrilateral ABCD where AB 4.2 cm, BC 5.5 cm, CD 6 cm, angle ABC 110 degree and angle BCD equals to 70 degree. Means here we can find that out of 5 conditions, the measurement of 3 sides are given as well as the measurement of 2 angles are given. So as we know, we have to first consider the rough structure, a rough sketch. And here this is the rough sketch of the quadrilateral ABCD, of which we find that measurement of AB is given, measurement of BC is given, measurement of CD is given, measurement of angle ABC is given and measurement of angle BCD is also given, where angle ABC 110 degree and angle BCD is 70 degree. So we have to construct this quadrilateral ABCD. So first of all these measurements of the segment as well as the measurements of the angles are taken by using scale and protractor respectively. Now we have to start the construction. Let's see how to do this. First of all, according to this rough sketch, we get that the base BC should be taken. So that's why first of all a line segment BX of arbitrary length is taken by using scale. Now by using compass, measurement of BC is taken and then this particular measurement is cut off from BX. So here this is the base BC, right? So BC is found. Now from this rough sketch it is clear that we have to construct angle 110 degree and 70 degree at the vertices B and C respectively. So now let's construct angle 110 degree, that is angle ABC at the vertex B. So here first of all the angle of measurement 110 degree is drawn by using compass at the vertex B. So let's do this. Now the angle of measurement 70 degree should be constructed at the vertex C, which is of measurement 70 degree. Make sure students, this 70 degree angle is the included angle. So this should be drawn in clockwise direction at C. Okay. So here we have to take C as center and the arc should be drawn in this direction, means in clockwise direction. Now this angle is drawn as the included angle at the vertex C. Make sure here I am using pen for making the photo clear. You all are requested to use pencil only for construction. Now here these two arms of this rough sketch are obtained, okay, as the arms of these two angles. Now from this particular arm AB should be cut off. From this particular arm of angle 70 degree DC should be cut off. So let's do this. This is AB. AB means 4.2 centimeter and hence it is cut off from this. So AB is found. Now from this arm of 70 degree CD is cut off. Okay. Now this A and D are joined together by using scale. And hence the quadrilateral ABCD with this given condition, that is measurement of 3 sides and measurement of 2 angles, 2 included angles, is constructed. So now let's write the justification. Because we know we must write the justification after construction. So here ABCD is the required quadrilateral of which AB equals to 4.2 centimeter, BC equals to 5.5 centimeter, CD equals to 6 centimeter, measurement of angle ABC is 110 degree and measurement of angle BCD is 70 degree, and hence the construction is completed. Now we shall see that how to construct a square ABCD of which one diagonal is of measurement 8 centimeter. Okay. Now only one condition is provided, that is measurement of one diagonal is provided. But make sure students, in a square both the diagonals are of equal measurement. That is, if we consider the rough sketch of this square ABCD, then we will find that measurement of AC as well as measurement of BD both are given, because both are of measurement 8 centimeter. And we also know that diagonals of a square bisect each other at right angle. So here we must consider the measurement of the diagonals, that is 8 centimeter for each case, as well as measurement of half part of the diagonal for this construction, because they bisect each other, means they divide each other into two equal parts. So that's why first of all measurement of the diagonal 8 centimeter is taken. Both the diagonals are of 8 centimeter here by this problem. Moreover, this is perpendicularly bisected so that we can get the measurement of half part of it, because both the measurements, means 8 centimeter and half part of 8 centimeter, are needed for this construction. So now first of all we will start our construction from drawing the diagonal, one of the two diagonals. So here a line segment of arbitrary measurement AX is taken, and from AX the diagonal AC, here I am cutting off AC, you may cut off BD also, then you will take BX, okay. So AC here I am cutting off from this AX. So let's do this. AC means the entire diagonal, means of measurement 8 centimeter, is cut off from AX. Okay. Now we know that BD, this diagonal, is perpendicularly bisecting AC. So now let's form the perpendicular bisector of AC. Perpendicular bisector of AC. Because BD and AC are perpendicular to each other by the property of square. So perpendicular bisector of AC is constructed. Now from this perpendicular bisector I am going to consider these two parts of BD, means this one BO and OD, where BO and OD both are of measurement 4 centimeter. So here, as I told you earlier, that we need half part of 8 also. So measurement of half part of 8 is taken, which is of 4 centimeter, and then taking this intersection point as center, this 4 centimeter is cut off from both parts of this perpendicular bisector of the diagonal AC. So this is 4 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter. As a whole, this is forming 8 centimeter. That is, it is forming the diagonal BD, right? And hence, these two diagonals by property of square are perpendicular to each other, and hence this R, means BD and AC, are also perpendicular to each other. Moreover, they are bisecting each other into two equal parts. So hence all the criteria of the square, of diagonals of a square, are satisfied, and so these vertices are just joined together. That is, D is joined with A and C, and B is also joined with A and C. Okay. So hence the square ABCD is formed with the information of measurements of one of the two diagonals, means measurements of the diagonals, because both the diagonals are of equal measurement in a square. So now let's write down the justification. So the square ABCD is constructed of which measurement of AC is 8 centimeter and measurement of BD is also 8 centimeter. So hence the construction of the square under this given condition is completed.